Hello everybody and welcome back. It's been a while since I've done a little cooking video, but this one is simple and easy, and I have been loving my new stab mixer. Actually, it's not new, but I've had it for a while, but I found out an easy way to do smoothies in just a bowl instead of having to use and clean a whole blender set. So basic fruit in my smoothie for breakfast is going to be, I cut up bananas, kiwi, some frozen strawberries that I thawed out, and instead of milk, I'm going to add this juice puree, apple, celery, and pear, and this juice is really good. So it's evening right now, so I'm making it ahead of time, and in the morning, I'm just going to pour it into my thermal mug. Here we go. Okay, just add some juice just so it blends up nicely. Try and do this all one-handed while filming. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so I stopped the film just so you didn't have to watch me blend for several until it completely pureed. But oh, this smells so good. So if you have busy morning, make the smoothies at night before you go to bed, and then you just in the morning pour it into the thermoses before you leave. This smells so good. Let's try it. Oh, the kiwi. Oh, the kiwi is so good. And best part is the kiwis I got on discount. Frozen strawberries were on sale, and bananas I had a coupon for. So this makes the smoothie even so much better. So how do you guys like to make your smoothies? Do you put milk in it or do you add a juice to it? Put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.